Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your Honda Amaze supports Apple CarPlay and that your infotainment firmware is up to date. Plug a high-quality Lightning cable into the iPhone and the USB port labeled with a phone icon. This ensures data, not just charging. Once done, unlock the iPhone and allow CarPlay on the device when the pop-up appears, because permission is required for first-time pairing. Make sure Siri is enabled in settings, as CarPlay relies on voice control for safe, hands-free use. Next, tap Phone or Connections on the Amaze display and choose Apple CarPlay to start the in-dash setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to accept terms and select Wired or Wireless mode. Wireless requires Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled on the iPhone. Once connected, you can rearrange apps by opening iPhone Settings General CarPlay and customizing the Amaze layout. This makes frequently used apps immediately accessible. Remember to test maps and audio so you know navigation and sound. To use CarPlay, ask Siri for directions, text, or playback. This keeps your eyes on the road and lets the system handle routing and messages. If audio, microphone, or app icons don't appear, make sure the Lightning cable is genuine and fully seated. Check the Amaze volume and phone mute, and confirm Bluetooth/Wi-Fi are active for wireless setups. If problems persist, restart the infotainment, forget the vehicle on your iPhone, and repair. That often clears lingering connection or handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.